Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2014 Mathematics Past Question 17. What is the solution of x minus 5 all over x plus 3 is less than minus 1? Now this will give us x minus 5 is less than, now minus 1, now that's minus into x plus 3. So we have x minus 5 is less than minus x minus 3. Minus x minus 3. Now let's collect what? Let's collect like terms. Collecting like terms, we'll have that what? X plus x is less than 5 minus 3. So we have 2x is less than 2. So x is less than 2 over 2. X is less than 2 over 2. Then therefore x is less than 1. X is less than 1. So the answer to this question actually is that x is less than 1, which is not given in the option. So the answer to this question, x is less than 1, and it is not given in the option, but the answer is x is less than 1. So thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.